What's happening, Flashlight Panda? Peter Von Panda here. Just picked this up. It's by Goldenguy and Zoom 5 modes. But there's 2 flashlights on the box, and that is because these TC1200 flashlights come in a pair, like the Olsen twins. Here, look at this. So we've got one awesome flashlight, but that's not all. If you call in now, you'll receive a second awesome flashlight. Just pay separate shipping and handling. Call in now. If you don't get through on your first try, please continue to try. Operators are standing by. So, hey, we get 2 really solid looking tactical flashlights here. You've seen flashlights like this on the channel before, but we've never checked out this brand. So I'm pretty excited to see what they're all about and, you know, see if it kind of lives up to my standard. So we do have a lanyard here, pretty wide wrist lanyard. They're already threaded on there, which is nice. They have some nice weight to them and a nice feel and kind of this matte finish, this anodized aluminum-like finish. And so right off the bat, they feel really good in my hand. As you can see, a little knurling here, and they're pretty big, you know, up around the bulb here, but they're the perfect length for fitting into my hand and kind of being that tactical pocketable flashlight. So you can see we have some cuts right up here and some design on the crown. And if I pull, so you can it says zoom. So if you pull it in and out here, what we can do is you can see what it does, that LED emitter right there. So it's gonna widen or focus the beam. We have a very round glass lens in there. We have a very sturdy metal clip on the back end, rubberized silicone button. Everything looks to be exactly the same. And then if we open it up here, O-ring right there, and we have a little carriage for AAA batteries, so you can put in 3 AAA batteries. But you did see here, we also have one of these spacers in case you use an 18650 lithium battery, which is what I have here. Now I think this should work, and this will kind of take up that slack. So if I were to put one of these in here, and I think this is the way that it would go in, and now put this cap back on, and see some slotting right there, some knurling to be able to get a good grip on it. Should be nice and waterproof, I'm assuming. And then if I hit this, boom, look at that. Bright light. That is a bright white light on top of that. So if I turn it on here, half step it, we go through the modes. So there's a fast strobe, an SOS, looks like bright, medium, low, high strobe, and SOS. Now, I wonder if I can press half press. Nope, I can't half press for a momentary. But when it's on, I actually can kind of half press and turn it off, so I can kind of get a momentary like effect if you wanted to go dark. And then release it. It works like the half step mode though, or for switching modes. So, obviously, if we go to level like this, you can see here we can get it down to a very narrow pencil beam and wide. Boom. All right, now you're probably wondering, what is this thing like out in the dark? So let's go give it a try. Guys, outside here in the dark, got the Goldenguy's flashlight and turned it on here. Look at that. Nice, bright, very white pattern. And if I focus it in here, look at that. You can see that Cree emitter, or that LED emitter, and I'm lighting up that tree right there. It's kind of awesome. I am certain you can see that, and if I pull this back, I am lighting up all those trees and the lawn right out here. Now let's do some half steps. That's a little lower, and that is the strobe, obviously, SOS. So here is the bright, and it really lights up those trees on it. You know, my camera isn't the best at picking up low light situations here, but you might be able to kind of interpret. But obviously, as I dial in that beam into that pencil beam, you know, out there, that's only maybe, I don't know, 5 or 6 feet wide, but it's probably like 10 feet long. But I can just light up what I want. It's kind of like a little light window. That's pretty cool. I dig it. This thing is bright, man. I don't know how many lumens exactly it is, but like I said, it's not just a flashlight. It's a 2-pack of flashlights with lanyards and the AAA battery carriers, and just a great set of flashlights to have, whether you're camping, going out, put in your drawer in your house. Useful for all sorts of things. Throw it in the glove box of your car. Anyway, I'll put a link to it in the description if you want to pick up this so that you have two identical flashlights in your home. Peter Von Panda out.